Hello and welcome to Skyvia Tutorials. This video will show you how to integrate Google Sheets and Salesforce. Skyvia offers diverse opportunities to connect Salesforce and Google Sheets. You can use available data integration tools and query Google Sheets add-on. The easiest way to connect Google Sheets and Salesforce is our data integration solution. Before building our integration, let's connect to both data sources. To do this, you need an active Skyvia account. Follow the link in the description to register in Skyvia for free. To connect to Salesforce, click Create New, Connection, and choose Salesforce Connector from the list. Sign in with Salesforce and save the connection. To connect to Google Sheets, create a new connection from the menu and select Google Sheets Connector from the list. Sign in with Google and select the spreadsheet. Set up additional connection parameters if needed and save the connection. Let's build our first integration. We'll use Import, the ETL wizard-based tool that helps to integrate data sources with different data structures in any direction. Create Import integration from the menu. Set the source type. Select Google Sheets as a source and Salesforce as a target. Leave integration options in the default state and add a new import task. Import offers two modes of extracting data, simple and advanced. Simple mode allows you to extract data from objects and set filters. With advanced mode, you can build queries or write custom SQL commands and import their results to the target. We use the simple mode in our example. Let's select the sheet with the source data and proceed to the next tab. Skyvia supports importing data to standard Salesforce objects such as account, contact, lead, opportunities, and others. You can also import data to custom objects and fields in Salesforce. For this example, select the contact object as a target and choose the operation. Use Insert to add new records, Update to modify existing ones, and Delete to remove records. The Upsert operation updates a record if it exists or inserts a new record. Select how Skyvia will identify the records for the update, by primary key or by external ID. We will identify records by primary key for our case and proceed to the Mapping tab. Mapping lets you transform your source data to fit the target data structure. There are Google Sheets columns on the left and Salesforce Contact fields on the right. Skyvia maps the fields with the same names automatically. You can change the automatic mapping and map other fields using available mapping types. The primary key in the contact object is the contact ID. We must map it to check whether the record exists in the target. Our source sheet doesn't contain Salesforce contact IDs. Thus, we will retrieve them using lookup mapping. The lookup will compare the contact emails in source and target. If it finds matching emails, Skyvia will update records in Salesforce. If lookup finds no match, Skyvia will insert a new contact. Select Target Lookup and choose Contact as the lookup object. Select the ID as a result column. Select the fields for comparison. These fields are email in target and mail in source. Enable the Set Null when no match is found option. Complete the mapping and save the task. Now you can run the integration manually or by schedule. You can set the integration to run every day or on specific weekdays, every few hours or minutes, and achieve near real-time data integration. We will run our import manually. You can check the integration results on the Monitor or Logs tabs. To see the number of successful or failed records, click on the specific run. As a result, we've imported contacts from Google Sheets to Salesforce. If you need to implement a more complex scenario, Skyvia has a solution. Our data flow tool enables you to apply advanced logic to your scenarios. For example, the displayed data flow gets Salesforce contacts, joins the specific data from related accounts using the lookup component, and then splits data into separate Google Sheets targets. Customers' contacts are imported to one Google Sheets connection. Partners' contacts are imported to another Google Sheets connection. You can also set your custom logs to monitor your data flow results. As demonstrated, data integration tools help import data from Salesforce to Google Sheets and vice versa using advanced transformations and complicated logic. For those who just want to display their Salesforce data in Google Sheets with no additional requirements, Skyvia offers a queried Google Sheets add-on. It is ideal for fast reporting with minimum effort. Let's check one more example. We will query Salesforce opportunities to Google Sheets. To get data from Salesforce to Google Sheets using Skyvia Query add-on, you need an active Skyvia account and a valid Salesforce connection. Let's install Skyvia Query app. Go to Google Sheets. Click Extensions, Add-ons. Select Get Add-ons. Search for Skyvia Query app. Click Install and sign in with Google. To query data from Salesforce to Google Sheets, click Extensions, Skyvia Query. Click Query in the menu. You can use a visual query builder or write a custom command. We will show you how the visual query builder works. Choose Workspace and Connection. We will use the default workspace and select Salesforce Connection. Select the Opportunities object. You can query the whole object or select the specific fields. Set filters if needed. We will choose the opportunities created in the current month. To save your query in the gallery for later use, click Save on the bottom. To get the fresh data at the moment, you can refresh the query results in 2 clicks. Just click Extensions. Hover the cursor over Skyvia Query and click Refresh Current Sheets or Refresh All Sheets. We fetch Salesforce opportunities into Google Sheets in a few clicks using Skyvia Query Google Sheets add-on. Thank you for watching this Salesforce Google Sheets integration tutorial. If you still have questions, comment below and we will help you. To try Skyvia for free, use the link in the description. See you in the next videos.